Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Uh, chapter is compounds of metals. So in our previous video, we discussed the preparation of the metal oxides. We said that there are two main methods of preparing the metal oxides. There is the direct method and the indirect method. So today, let's see the various uses of the metal oxides. The metal oxides, they find a wide range of uses. The following are just the uses of the most common oxides. So we'll be discussing the uses of the metal oxides depending on which kind of metal oxides. So we'll start with the first one, the uses of the calcium oxide. Uh, the following are just uses of this calcium oxide. The first one is the calcium oxide is used in making the mortar. The calcium oxide simply it reacts with the water to form the hydroxide, as you can see, known as slacked lime. Now, the mortar is made up by mixing this slacked lime, sand, and water, and is used in sticking bricks together and in forming smooth surfaces on walls of buildings. So, this is the uh, use of the calcium oxide, making of the mortar that is the one that is used in sticking the bricks together and in forming smooth surfaces on walls of buildings. The second use of the calcium oxide is used for making the whitewash. The whitewash, this is one which is used in marking the sports fields. So if you observe in sports fields, you see that the sports fields are marked with some kind of a white marking. So that white marking is the one that is called the whitewash. Also used in the roads and in the brush, and also is used in the uh, these buildings walls. So all these are just uses of this whitewash that is made up from the calcium oxide. So the whitewash is the one that is used in making the sports fields, roads, and these brushed on walls of buildings to give them the white color. The whitewash is simply the suspension of the slacked lime and in water, and we've seen how this slacked lime is formed in the first use of the calcium oxide. Now, the third one is the calcium oxide is used in the making of the cement and the concrete. Cement is made up of the heating together of lime and limestone and clay. The product is simply the mixture of the calcium silicates and the aluminates. The clay is hydrated aluminum silicate. So the mixture of the cement, sand, stones, and water it gives the concrete, which on setting becomes extremely hard. So the concrete is the one that is used for uh, the building of various construction sites, places, buildings, etc., etc. So in the materials used for making the foundations of buildings, pillars, roads, paths, bridges, etc. So this cement and concrete is used and is observed or is originated from the calcium oxide. Hope that's clear. The other use, the calcium oxide is used in soil treatment. In which way? In agriculture, quicklime is used to neutralize the soil acidity, and this quicklime with this calcium oxide, and it is also there as it adds the mineral nutrients to the soil. That is, the calcium is the one that is required or is added to the soil. The other use that the calcium oxide is the one that is also dissolved in water to make it the slacked lime, which is used in softening of the water. So slacked lime is the one that is used in softening of the water, simply helping to soften the hard water. And the other use using in drying agent, I mean using as a drying agent. The calcium oxide is used for drying the ammonium and the ethanol. The other use of this calcium oxide is used in the manufacture of the bleaching powder, as you can see its formula. Then there is also this calcium oxide is used in the manufacture of the glass. Heating of a mixture of sand, sodium carbonate, and lime or limestone gives the glass. So the glass is made up of some kind of components of the calcium oxides. So I hope that's clear. And the other use, last but not least, use the lining of the furnaces. It is mixed with the magnesium oxide, this calcium oxide, to form the basic lining of the furnaces to remove the acidic impurities in the form of the slag. Uh, More uses. It is used in the blast furnace to remove the impurities from the iron ore, which is removed in the form of slag, and also it is used in the preparation of the calcium carbide. The calcium carbide is the one that is manufactured in electric furnace at 2000 degrees, as you can see how it is formed. So that's all I have for this session. I hope it's clear. We've started discussing the uses of the metal oxides. We've seen the calcium oxides, its various uses. So in our next video, we'll move on to the other metal oxide with its uses. Thank you.